Good morning, fellow vintage Ray-Ban lovers out there. Hope you're well and welcome to another video. Quick one today. It's going to be about the anatomy of a typical vintage Ray-Ban Aviator frame. So without further ado, let's crack on. If we start from top to bottom, we have the brow bar, which is here. We have the bridge, which is this piece here. Some people call it the nose bridge, but it's called the bridge, which is that there. We have two nose pads, which are here and here. We have at the end, which I called the hinge points, but they are actually in fact called the end piece. So that actually is the end piece. The section that goes around the lenses is called the eye wire. So this here is called the eye wire. If I turn it over, we then have the temple, and then on the end of the temple we have the paddle tip. So this is the temple and this is the paddle tip. If I show you another version, so here we have the brow bar. So sometimes this section here is also called the sweat bar, but it is actually called the brow bar, and this section here is called the brow bar as well. If I show you another version of Ray-Ban's classic metals, so this is called a shooter, simply because of the circular section here. But if I just turn it over, we actually have a different kind of temple, and this temple is called the cable style temple. And as you can see, it is different from what I showed you previously because it doesn't have a paddle at the end. So this is called the cable temple. And there you have it, folks, the anatomy of a vintage Ray-Ban Aviator frame. Peace.